Hello everyone, this is presentation for my Chrome extension project, GreenCart. To introduce myself, I'm Tarek, I'm 20 years old, I'm a computer science and business management bachelor student. This project, GreenCart, is a project I developed for Hack for Humanity 2025, a hackathon focused on creating software for social good. I'm more of a backend developer, but I've always wanted to deepen my knowledge in full stack development, specifically in front end, I would say, and this project was the perfect opportunity for me to do so. The problem I'm trying to solve is online shopping has made our lives more convenient, but it comes with an environmental cost. Most people don't realize that every product we buy has a carbon footprint. From production to shipping, each step contributes to carbon emissions. The problem is that major platforms like Amazon don't display this information, making it hard for consumers to make environmentally conscious decisions when shopping online. So the solution I came up with is GreenCart. GreenCart is a Chrome extension that calculates and displays the carbon footprint of products directly on Amazon. So when you visit a product page, GreenCart will automatically extract product details like weight, material, and category. Uses the Gemini API to estimate the carbon footprint, displays the footprint in an overlay on the page, keeps a history of analyzed products that allows the users to sort, filter, and even export the data in a CSV file. So to build GreenCart, I used React, Vite with TypeScript. My reason for choosing these technologies was one, I wanted to learn React, and this project was actually my very first React project ever. Two, and I'm actually very proud of it. Two, scalability. Maybe I'm planning to come back to this project and make it better overall. So it will be easier and scalable. So the challenges, despite this being my very first React project, but the biggest challenge that I faced was calculating the carbon footprint of products. So carbon footprint calculations aren't straightforward. Many factors come into play, including raw materials, manufacturing, supply chain, and delivery. Too many complex factors have to be considered when calculating carbon footprint. So there are some databases that have uh, some accurate carbon footprint data of products, but they are just too expensive for me, at least for this project. So instead, I decided to use an LLM, and I chose Google Gemini API. Why I chose Gemini? Because it has a free tier with a generous limit. Anyone can access it. Anyone can create an account and get an API key. It also has a good models, smart models, and will give me near accurate results. Before thanks, let me show you the before delving into the code. I don't want to go into the code too much, but it's in my GitHub. I've already published it actually on the Chrome store. You can find it, but on the Chrome store, it's the version 1 that's in the Chrome store. Let me add it. So it's version 1. I've already pushed 1.1. As you can see here, there is already 1.1. The only change that I made was some UI bugs that I faced. It hasn't been approved on Chrome Web Store, but so I will just it's on my machine. I will load it up from my machine. It's here. Anyone can clone the repo and build it, but hopefully when after the submission of this project, 1.1 will be already on the web store and anyone can download it. Let me just disable this one so that we use 1.1. Let me pin it. Okay, so welcome. Understanding when you browse Amazon, this kind of stuff, and then I have to put my API key. Let me just copy it. Okay, paste it right here. Validate. It will validate. If it's okay, it will say you're all set. Get started. Okay, when I start, it's here an empty dashboard. Let's say I go to Amazon. Amazon. Okay. Okay, let's say I go to this product. Let's wait. Okay. Yeah, somewhat 7.5. It's not too accurate, but it's good enough. Let's go. Let's actually go. Let's see an iPhone 13, because I know the value. 7.3. Okay, nice. It's accurate. Actually, Apple says it's around from 65 to 70. I think it's quite good. Let me just populate the history so that we can see the another functionalities. I'm not gonna wait for the overlay to load because it's taking a bit time. I just want to populate the. Let me just wait. Okay, 1 point something. Okay, that's good enough. We have a few. I can search that. Let's say I have a lot. Can OnePlus. Yeah, a OnePlus. It's searching everything, including the title. So that's why this came up. I can sort them out. These normal functionalities. I can delete. I can go to details. Have full details that was extracted. I have the Gemini model that gave us this. And then I have ratings. I can view the link. It saves up the link. So that's it. I think for the extension I can export. I've exported and tried it actually. Let me see this. This is the newer one. Yeah, as you can see, Apple, Motorola, OnePlus. So that's it. Settings, I can change the API key from here. That's it for the for this. Let me just delve in a little bit into the code. I want to see services, Gemini. So here is the Gemini. Here are the models that we will try. It will try from up to bottom. If this for some reason doesn't work, it happened to me. I tried this and then it doesn't work. Maybe it's overloaded or something. It's busy or something. It times out. When this times out, we'll try this. This is the least favorable one, but it will try from up to bottom. This is the prompt that we are sending to Gemini. You are an expert in environmental impact assessment. Just it will send it. We will give it it will give us the output in this format, because also the title and the description I'm getting concise, because if you go to here, it's big title. Also the description is a lot. For this list, I'm getting a concise title and concise description as well from Gemini. That's why I'm sending it everything, and then it will give me the concise title, concise description, and the CO2 value. That's it. I think it's on my GitHub. Anyone can see it, and hopefully 1.1 will be out soon on the Chrome store. They will approve it soon. Now it's time for thank you for tuning in, and I hope that you like my project.